Good afternoon, children. Today we will study quadratic formula by the method of completing the square. Completing the square is not in your syllabus these days. It is deleted from the last year. But we will study it, and while following completing the square formula, we will derive quadratic formula side by side. Just look. Let's take general form of quadratic equation. And we know that general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. To derive quadratic formula from this general form, we have to follow certain steps. So step 1, if we look carefully, what is the coefficient of x square here? A. So we have to divide both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, by the coefficient of x square. Divide LHS and RHS by coefficient of x square. So look here, what is the coefficient of x square here? Here, if we look carefully, it is a. So we are dividing both sides by a. It means ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0 upon a. Let's solve further. A cancels. We are left with x square plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now step 2. Step 2 says that we have to shift constant term to right hand side. Shifting constant term to right hand side. What is constant term here? If you look, without variable is c upon a. We have to shift it to right hand side. Just look here, x square plus bx upon a is equal to minus c upon a. Now step 3. Now step 3. Adding half of coefficient of x whole square. Understand please? Adding half of coefficient of x whole square. What is coefficient of x here? B upon a. If you look, coefficient of x is b upon a. So half of coefficient of x means 1 upon 2 into b upon a whole square, which is equal to b upon twice of a whole square. So we have to add b upon twice of a whole square to both sides. Let's add x square plus bx upon a is equal to minus c. Minus c. First let's add here b upon twice of a whole square is equal to this side b upon twice of a whole square minus c upon a. Any doubt till here? What we did in this step? We have added half of coefficient of x whole square to both sides. Now if you look carefully, the square is completed here. It means x plus b upon twice of a whole square. You can check it by using formula. If you open it, it will be equal to x square b upon twice a whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x into b upon 2a. We can check it separately, and you too try at your notebook. Now let's solve right hand side. Open it, b square upon 2 to 4a whole square minus c upon a. Next step, x plus b upon twice of a whole square is equal to, let's take LCM. LCM is 4a square, means b square minus 4ac. Is it clear? Now can you tell me what is the next step? In next step we have to shift square to right hand side. How to shift? Yes, look, we are shifting square to right hand side. How to do? Yes, look, this implies x plus b upon twice of a is equal to under root plus minus two values, plus minus, remember, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now next step, please look, x plus b upon twice of a is equal to plus minus under root, let's separate the under root between numerator and denominator, b square minus 4ac upon what is the under root 4a square equals to, look here, under root 4a square is equal to under root twice of a into twice of a. It means 1 twice of a is out of the root. Any doubt? Now let's shift this to right hand side. X is equal to minus b upon twice of a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Let's take LCM again. You know how to take LCM? Let's take x is equal to twice of a minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4a. See, this is called as quadratic formula. So this is the derivation of quadratic formula, and this is quadratic formula which we have to use in exercise 4.234 to solve many questions. If we come to the last step, this is quadratic formula, and if we come to this step, till this is completing the square. Now let's discuss in the next video, we will discuss about the nature of roots.